Good morning. Good morning, Nova.
Moonzie Nova, learn and play. You know what to do. Hello friends! Today we're going to play a game about washing machine.
Yay!
So let's open it up. What's that? It has clothes. My baby clothes. We put inside. Now you close the washing machine and you tap it and you press the on button on. And you press You are not a washing machine man. Now you press fire hand, and you press shower, and you press.
Don't hit her hand. Come, Nova.
It's done.
Nova.
Done. Look at this clothes. Now you fold it close. You put them in the washing machine, and you turn it. Mom, she bumped it. But she was not kind.
You okay, Nova?
It's okay. What is he? And turn it for 5,000,000 seconds. Mom, it's going to be a long time. It's going to be 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not done yet. I need to teach Noah don't pull it out. Mom, it's your turn. It's blue. Will be my favorite color.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, blue.
Pull it back some.
Yeah. Look. Let Mommy see too.
Okay, you open the door.
Yeah.
You see, Nova?
You pull it out.
And you pull out the clothes.
Yeah, just like you. Mommy. Yeah.
You see, Nova?
Yeah.
It's so cool, right?
It's done.
Done. I know you have clean clothes.
Yeah. Then open it. See?
Swipe right. Hand left.
Very good. It smells a little bit dirty.
Ew!
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.